the bird dog. On all fours in a warrior position. Dig those palms into the ground. Squeeze the floor with your fingers. Dig the little fingers in. Anti-shrug. Brace your core, locking the rib cage down to the spine and hips. Squeeze the imaginary quarter between your glutes. Let's go left fist forward, right heel back. Squeeze that left fist, raise it as if you were holding a flag. Anti-shrug. Brace, stiffen your core, locking the rib cage down. Push my hand to the ceiling. Squeeze the imaginary quarter between your glutes. Push that right heel back. Posture, stiffness, and breathing. Tightness from that left fist all the way through the chain to the right heel.